I finally got a sewing machine. Thanks, Mom. I never used a sewing machine before, so to learn the mechanics, I stitched together some scraps of paper. I spent the better part of the day on YouTube trying to figure out what exactly is a bob and how to wrap thread around it. So yes, I am a complete newbie. But welcome back to another Junk Journal with Me episode. My name is Bree from 1134 Press, where we share journaling, bookmaking, and papercraft inspiration every Sunday and Wednesday. The pieces that I stitched together are super wonky and experimental, but instead of throwing them away, I collaged them in my junk journal that I made from an old book. The tutorial is linked above and down in the description if you'd like to make your own. I didn't really have a prompt for this spread. Instead, I wanted to play with and be inspired by the stitched together layers. I have collaged with sewn papers before that I've purchased from Feel Good Parcel on Etsy. I think this was about a year ago. So if you don't have a sewing machine but like the way thread looks, it will be easy to find sellers with that kind of ephemera. I don't really have a lot to chat about today, but I do want to say thanks to everyone who followed my December daily journal on Instagram. It was both fun and challenging to collage every day for 25 days straight. I mentioned this on Instagram, but it definitely made me feel more confident in my style of art journaling. Every day, I'd come to my desk with all these little pieces strewn about and tasked with putting together a paper puzzle to best represent my day. Art journaling is definitely about mindfulness. It was different for me to be consistent at telling the world, wait, I need to make time today to reflect on the present moment. These are learnings that I definitely want to take with me in 2021. But anyway, I'm gonna let the video play. If you find any value in these videos, definitely like and subscribe and leave a comment. I appreciate it, and I will see you all on Wednesday.